What's your name again?
Kelechi.
Kelechi, Mark. Let's just do a few shots. Let's just get it up and running. 1 sec. Okay. Yeah, mate, that is spot on. Okay, so perfect. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's cool, mate. Perfect. Nice. And then looking up the street that way. That's it. And then just eyes to me. That's it. Cool. And then come up this way. They shoot all that, you know, Peaky Blinders? They film a lot of that around here. Yeah. So we're going to do just here. I mean, you can, like, if you want to lean on the, you can, like, have your back against it. But I'm literally just, same kind of thing, just in front of there because the colour's cool. Yeah, that's it, mate. Perfect. Let's just make the light a bit darker. Okay. And then looking down towards that way, actually that's it. Perfect. And then looking towards me, that's it, mate. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, cool. One sec. Okay, nice. Sweet. And then, let's get you here. So you're going to be stood like basically where I am. You'll be looking back towards me. So that's it. Wait for this geezer to... Okay, so that's it mate, perfect. Let's have a look. Yeah, nice. And then be looking kind of just over my, that's it. Perfect, now looking towards the camera again. And let's get both hands in pockets, so each side. Okay. Nice. Perfect. And then you can be just kind of like almost looking straight ahead of yourself. You can be looking down on the floor kind of thing. That's it. And now looking back to me. That's it. Make it a bit brighter. Cool. Nice.